Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and enthusiastic towards your studies. Myself, Teacher Parul, welcomes you all in the science class. In this video, we are going to begin with a new chapter in your subject science. So, in this video, we are going to begin with our new chapter, that is chapter 5, Coal and Petroleum. So, we shall be learning in detail about this coal and petroleum in this chapter. So, let us see what we are going to see in this video. Which are the topics which we are going to cover in this video? So, in this video, we are going to see the following topics. The topics are, we are going to learn in detail about the coal, the story of coal, coke, coal tar and coal gas in detail. So my dear students, let us start a new chapter and the very first topic in this chapter. So let us start the introduction of this chapter. This chapter is based on few natural things. Okay, so firstly let us see the various materials. As we all know, as we will look around us also, we will see different kind of the materials are present. Few will be man-made, few will be natural. Okay, so can you tell me few what are natural and what are man-made? As you will see, sun is the natural source of energy, okay, but the light, the tube lights, okay, that is the man-made source of resources. So in this way you can make a long list of the natural as well as the man-made things. So my dear students, in this lesson, firstly we are going to see the two types of the resources. The two types of the resources are inexhaustible natural resource, that is the renewable source of energy, and the next one is exhaustible natural resource, that is the non-renewable source of energy. So let us learn about both of these resources in detail one by one. Inexhaustible natural resource. So, inexhaustible natural resources, they are renewable source of energy that are replenished at a rate faster than that which they are consumed. Okay, inexhaustible natural resources are the renewable resources. Okay, these resources are present in unlimited quantity in nature. Okay, and are not likely to be exhausted by human activities. Okay, renewable resources or inexhaustible natural resources. Okay, they can be used but they will not be exhausted. Okay, they can't extinct, वो कभी खत्म नहीं होगा, they can't exist. Okay, that's why they come under the inexhaustible or renewable natural resource. Okay, example for this is sunlight, okay, and air we can take. So, these resources are present in unlimited quantity in nature and are not likely to be exhausted by any of the human activities. Okay, any human activity can't complete it. Okay, so that's why they come under the inexhaustible natural resource. Now few examples I have already given you of inexhaustible natural resource. Here more examples are there. Okay, tidal energy, okay, that can't be end. Wave energy from the oceans we can get, okay, wave from the waves. Ocean thermal energy. Another example is solar energy. From solar energy we can take what? We can use solar cooker, solar water heater, okay, even we can use solar water heater which is very efficient to small scale electricity production. Okay, now geothermal energy, heat energy is inside the earth, so we can use that how much we want. It cannot be exhausted by the human activities. Okay, now nuclear energy not dependent on the solar energy. Okay, it is never ending source, very efficient source and more environmental friendly, this nuclear energy. So I hope you have understood about this inexhaustible natural resource and its example. Now let us move ahead. Next one is the exhaustible natural resource. They are non-renewable source of energy. Okay, they are non-renewable source of energy means if it is used, it can be extinct. Okay, it can be extinct and will not get it again. So they are non-renewable source of energy are those that are consumed at a rate faster than that at which they are replenished. Okay, they are consumed faster and it can be extinct. Okay, वो खत्म हो सकता है. The amount of these resources in nature is limited, which can be exhausted by human activities. Okay, now the amount of this type of the resources, they are limited in the nature. Okay, they are limited. So if we keep on continuously using it, it will be exhausted. It will be exhausted and it will be extinct, and further we will not get it. That's why this type of the resources is known as exhaustible natural resources. Example for this is forests, wildlife, minerals, coal, petroleum, natural gas. Different type of the examples are there for these. So let us see that. So, forest, wildlife, minerals, coal, petroleum, natural gas, they are present in the nature, but they are in the limited quantity. Okay, if we will keep on continuously using it, the day will come that at that time we will not get these resources. These resources will be extinct. Okay, even the forest, wildlife, minerals, coal, petroleum, natural gas. Now, fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Okay, they are also examples of this exhaustible natural resource. It can get extinct. Now, advantages of using this fossil fuel is easy availability. We can eat, they are easily available. Okay, they can generate heat that is easily converted into electricity. Okay, they can generate what heat which can be easily converted to electricity, and that electricity can be used to different peoples in different areas. Okay, coal, petroleum, and natural gas were formed from the dead remains of the living organisms, hence they are known as the fossil fuels. Okay, coal, petroleum, and natural gas were formed from the dead remains of the living organisms. Okay, remains from the living organisms. It might be plants, it might be animals, it might be aquatic plants. Okay, it might be aquatic plants, all the living creatures which are present in this earth. Okay, from their dead organisms, from their dead body parts, they are buried inside the ground, they are buried inside the earth crust. Okay, and from that earth crust we are getting this coal, petroleum, and natural gas. So it is said that this is obtained from the dead remains of living organisms, hence they are known as what? Fossil fuels. Now, these resources such as coal and petroleum are limited in nature, okay, but burning of such fuels is the major cause to the air pollution. So, therefore, these fuels should be used only when it is necessary, okay. Now, burning of fossil fuels release gases like carbon dioxide, which causes greenhouse effect, okay. So, whatever resources the nature has given to us, we have to use it very wisely, okay. So I hope till here it is clear to you. Now let us move ahead. The next and the very important topic of this lesson is coal. Coal. Everyone has seen this coal, as you can see in the picture, and you can easily make out what is this coal. Okay, in common term, it is known as koila. In Hindi, it is known as koila. Okay, so this is coal. It is a fossil fuel which is hard, solid, and black in color. Okay, coal is hard, okay, and it is black in color. So now let us learn these. Well, let us see this story of coal, how this coal is obtained. Okay, we all have seen coal. Okay, it is solid, okay, it is hard, and it is black in color. Now let us see the story, and then we will see the uses of this coal. Okay, story of coal. Okay, so firstly, about 300 million years ago, the earth had dense forest in low-lying wetland areas. Okay, in low-lying wetland areas, the land mostly with the water. So what happened there? Due to the natural processes like flooding, this forest got buried under the soil. As more soil deposited over them, they were compressed. Okay, they were compressed. The temperature also rose as they sank deeper and deeper. Under the high pressure and high temperature, dead plants got slowly converted to coal. As coal contained mainly carbon, the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is known as carbonization. Since it was formed from the remains of the vegetations, coal is also called as a fossil fuel. Okay, I hope you have understood the story of the coal. Uses of coal. So now let us study about the uses of coal. Coal, even at your home also you have seen. Okay, now see, to roast chicken or to roast any fish, usually this coal is used. Okay, so this is very common use of coal. It is used as a fuel to cook food. Earlier it was used in railway engines to produce steam. Okay, to produce steam this coal was used. It is also used in thermal power station to generate electricity. Okay, coal, it is also used in thermal power station to produce electricity. Now this coke, coal tar and coal gas are the products of the coal. Okay, from the coal we can get coke, coal tar and coal gas. Okay, now let us see how this coke, coal tar and coal gas is useful to us. Coke. Coke, it is a tough, porous and black substance. Okay, coke, it is tough, porous and black substance. It is the pure form of carbon and is used in the extraction of steel and many other metals. Okay, coke, it is the pure form of the carbon and it is used in the extraction of the steel. Okay, it is used in the extraction of the steel and many other metals. The next substance which is obtained from the coal is the coal tar. Coal tar, it is a black thick liquid with an unpleasant smell. Okay, it is mixture of about 200 substances. The product obtained from coal tar are used in the starting material for dyes, drugs, paints, perfumes, etc. Okay, this coal tar, it is black thick liquid. It has very unpleasant smell. Okay, it contains about mixture of 200 substances and it is obtained from the products which are obtained from the coal tar are used. Okay, are used as a starting material for dyes, like to color something in dyes, even in drugs, in paints and even in perfumes it is used, and in many more things. The another one is the coal gas which is obtained from the coal. Coal gas which is obtained during the processing of coal to coke. Okay, when coal is being processed to obtain coke, at that time a gas is produced which is known as the coal gas. It is used as a fuel in many industry situated near the coal processing plants. Okay, it is used by the many of the industries. Okay, which type of industries used? The industries which are situated near the coal processing plant. Wherever the coal processing plant is going on, near to that, if any industries are there, they are using this coal gas. Okay, so I hope this topic of the coal is clear to you. The first topic of this chapter 5 is clear to you. Okay, so in this video only this much. In another video we will begin another topic of this lesson, that is the petroleum. Okay, till then my dear students, stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying science. See you all soon. Bye bye.